Hi, my name is Raabe, and I want to share you my experience with Saperstein Salomon. My legal team were excellent. They were very helpful. They knew exactly what they were doing. There was no moment in the process that I felt like I was scared of my outcome, or if I was just feeling lonely in a way. They were always there to even call back and express how I felt throughout the pain, and to secure myself that everything was going to be okay. And everything's been okay. So I'm very happy with my legal team. They were there for me in a way that no one was, and they made me feel safe, for sure. If anybody that I know, loved ones, friends and family, even someone in the streets that, if I see they need it, I definitely 100% recommend the firm. They were there for me. They were helpful. They helped me out through a very tough time. And I don't know how it would have ended up if they weren't by my side. I want to say thank you for everybody. Thank you, Sammy Davis, for answering my call when I needed you. And yes, thank you for everybody else and the partners. And I'm very, very grateful that you guys were there for me.